Hi everyone, welcome back to Banking and Crypto Guide. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to download Gemini wallet application on your Android device. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you've not yet. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. Start off by connecting to a Wi-Fi or a cellular data on your Android device. Once you have a strong internet, tap Open Play Store. Once you open up your Play Store, go to the search bar at the top. Type in Gemini in the search bar and make your search. You'll be able to see the application displayed at the very top on the next page. Tap the install button in green right next to the wallet to begin the downloading process. Gemini Wallet is a digital cryptocurrency wallet that prioritizes user security while providing access to 80 cryptocurrencies spread across 8 blockchains. It is best for new investors and those who plan to invest heavily in digital tokens because it prioritizes customer safety above all else. Wait for the application to be downloaded on your Android device, which is a quick process depending upon your internet speed. Once the application gets downloaded and installed, you'll be able to see an open button popping up right next to the app. Tap it on in order to launch the app open. That is how you can easily download the Gemini Wallet application for your Android device. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more tutorial videos like this. Thank you for watching.